Hello, dear students. It's a great pleasure for me to announce that after a long wait of 10 months or more, the government has finally agreed to allow the students to come back to schools. Although not all, but the students of 9 to 12 may now come back to school and join classes. We are so happy because we have been missing you a lot. Every day, the school, these empty buildings, the corridors, where it was all frequented by you, your activities, your movements, your memories, these all are lingering the entire school building. Now, once more, the schools will be frequented by the students, and again, we'll be seeing you in action in our school. In this regard, as a slow start, we have planned to call the students of class 12 to attend practical classes from coming 12th of February for a week or more. Then they'll be given time for studies. Now, one thing I would like to request to the students of class 12, science sections only, and from commerce only, computer students, when they come to schools, they follow the COVID protocol strictly and ensure that they remain safe and the staff also remain safe with their efforts. Thank you. God bless you. See you soon.
A very good morning to dear parents and students and teachers. The year 2020 has posed one of the greatest challenges to mankind, that is survival. The management and staff of St. Francis Xavier School are extremely happy that after a period of 11 months, we are finally going back to the normal. It is a great pleasure to welcome the students back to school, and we hope and pray that things will soon function normally. We can assure the students and parents that we, as a school, have taken every single measure to maintain the COVID protocols set by the government. The children within the four walls of our school will be safe and secure. Be rest assured. Thank you.
We are all set for the children to come, and here the children are coming. Come children. They are coming from the Hayat gate, maintaining a social distancing. Yes, now come. The temperature will be taken. You will go to the side. Next. Very good. And keep maintaining your distance, children. And there they will enter from the front gate. The children will now come up. Come, children.
Come in, please. Long line. Please take a seat. Sit in the second bench. Right. Move inside. Session. Good afternoon. Good to see you after so long. Please take a seat on this side. Leave a bench and sit down over there. Move inside. Yes. In the class, students, please pay attention to the board. We are doing the topic of depreciation and we are continuing the sum that we were doing last day. As you have seen, we have finished till here. The last entry is left, which is for the year 2019. We are passing the transfer entry. So March 31st by...
Every day after the children leave, this is what we do regarding the sanitization of all the classrooms. We fog the classrooms, and this is the way it is done.
So we are getting ready to welcome back the children back to school. And what is school without the children?
Say it.
Good morning, children. Please come. Please come. It's so nice to see you all. You have to please take your position. See, the numbers are written, and you make a distance while please do maintain the distance and take your positions. Yes, stand there, stand here.
Even the labs are being fumigated and fogged after the children leave every day. Shambhu? This is the newly made biolab, the state of the art.
A very good morning, students, and it's nice to see all of you after a long, almost a year's break. So I welcome you people to the biology class, and we shall be doing some practicals today. So please come in, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We have made all the arrangements keeping the SOPs of COVID-19 in mind. So we have made sure, that the students, they wear their masks, they wear their gloves, and they are carrying the individual sanitizers, and we are making sure that we maintain the social distancing. So please come on, children. You go that side.
Yes, ma'am.
Come in. You over there. Yes, so we'll be doing start with spotting experiment today, students, right? So please leave your bags and get ready with the microscopes. Yeah.
Even the biolab is fogged and fumigated after every practical examination or classes every day. Shambhu? The newly renovated physics lab has all the latest gadgets and is a state-of-the-art laboratory at St. Francis Xavier School.
So, welcome back, students, after such a long time. So, we are very happy to see you again. You have won a very great battle against COVID, and a school without any student is just a school without any life. So, we are so happy we have sanitized all our apparatus. And you should also take your safe distance and all the precautions, sanitize and wear gloves before touching this apparatus. So it is for your safety. We have done all the arrangements. And today we will be doing the UV practical with this optical bench. So before touching an apparatus, you should take all the safety measures. You should take the safe distance. So make the safe distance, yes, keep the safe distance.
The physics lab is sanitized.
Good afternoon, students. It's so good to see you after a period of almost a year. We welcome you in the school. The school is absolutely nothing without you, and I'm very sure that the offline classes are going to be very much interesting compared to the online classes. Please sanitize your hands and get inside. Please maintain social distancing while sitting.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.